Hello, today we will explain how to download Claude Code. First, we need to download Git. Go to your browser and type download Git. Click on this result, select Windows, then Git for Windows, and it will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, go to the download location, right-click the file, and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Now, all you have to do is keep clicking Next until the installation is finished. Finally, click Finish. Now, go to Google Chrome and search for Claude Code. Open the Claude Code docs, then scroll down until you find the Windows CMD section and copy the command. Next, go to the search bar, type Command Prompt, and open it. Paste the command and press Enter. Now, wait for the download and installation to finish. Now that the installation is complete, there is one final step, adding the path so the system can recognize the tool. Copy the path shown here, copy the one you have on your screen. Next, go to the search bar, type Environment Variables, and open it. Click on Environment Variables. Look for the path variable, select it, and click New. Paste the path there and click OK on all windows. Now, close the previous command prompt and open a new one. Type Claude and press Enter. You will be prompted to choose a color theme. Select the one you prefer and hit Enter. That's it. The installation is finished. You can now log into your account either through your personal account or using an API key. Choose the method that suits you best and start using it. That concludes our tutorial on how to install Claude Code. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.